So how do you fold the Lectric XP 3.0? I like to start by folding up the pedals. You press them inward and then up, inward and then flip up. If I'm going to be putting it in a vehicle, I also like to remove the seats, but you can just lower it as well. Then you can lower the handlebars by releasing this lever. Then to fold the handlebars, you take this lever here at the base of the handlebar, press up on the button and release, then it folds down. Then the only thing that's left is to fold the bike in half. So for that, you press forward on this button, pull the lever back, and now you can fold the bike in half. You should also get the kickstand up at some point. There we go. Now you can rest it on the base here, and I left the plastic shipping support and I put a couple of cable ties through so that this wouldn't get scratched against the cement. And then also there was a shipping strap that it came with, so I keep this on the bike and I can run it through part of the rear frame and the front tire to keep it from unfolding. And because I have the passenger peg, this is an issue in the design. This actually contacts the brake rotor in the front, so you have to be careful with that. You really should want to, put some kind of soft cap or something on this foot peg so this doesn't happen. So yeah, that's the bike fully folded there.